my channel. I'm Tia. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural, we are inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you haven't, my doll baby, hi doll baby, how are you?
So happy that you are here.
Hi, welcome back. So today I have a wig review. This beautiful girl here is Jean Renault's Zara, and I have her in the color Shaded Mocha. On display here we have Outray's Melted Hairline, and I believe it's Miranda. But today we have another Avery wig. Now I have reviewed a bunch of wigs named Avery, and I did it with my son Avery, and so I will link that video. He's much bigger now. I think he's like around almost 6'4", but he was tall in that video too. But today I have a TressAllure Avery, and this is her right here, and I have her in the color Frosty Blonde HL. This is a full cap wig. So this TressAllure Avery, she's in at around $159. One of the reasons I got her is she reminds me so much of Lane, so I will be doing a comparison between Avery and Lane, because Lane, I absolutely love Lane, but she reminds me so much of Lane, I just want to see how close they were, and it also looks so cute. I'd never tried this color before, so I thought I would do that. She does have some Permatease in here, just like Lane does. She's a full cap, no combs in the front, no combs in the back. She has adjustable straps that are like the pull bra strappy type situation. So we're just going to shake it out like it explains to do. You can see the dimension and the depth in that coloring. This is my favorite cap in the world. This is the Milano wig grip cap. I have a review on it. They have one that's like a lace front situation, and I want to do... This is an example of your wig being too far down. I want to do a review on that one too. Bendable ear tabs. Okay, let me put it where it needs to go. She does remind me of Lane. She's a little bit shorter. I almost think she reminds me of Noriko's May. So I'll do a comparison on that too. The one thing I like to do, especially with these wigs that have this Permatease, is I like to go through with...
Where's my rat tail comb?
I'm going to go through with my rat tail comb, and I'm just going to sort of like loosen it up a bit in the Permatease. And you can even use your, you know, nails. The wig cap does seem to be a little bit smaller, to be honest with you. My circumference is 21.5, and it seems a little tight. Yes, I'm wearing my wig grip cap, but I always do, and it wasn't really tightened. Yeah, so what I'm doing is I'm actually like breaking this up, and I'm moving the part slightly from where it was, just to sort of work through that Permatease, and I feel like then it sort of covers up, not covers, but it shifts apart so that it looks a little bit more natural. You are going to still have something right in here, so again, we're just going to zhuzh it up. Breaking up that Permatease. I think if it was a darker wig, you wouldn't see this as much. You could create baby hairs and things like that. You could also do some rooting. So if you want me to do a video where I do a little something to get this girl, I think if she was darker, because like the darker Lane, even the one I have in Mochaccino, this isn't so obvious. I just think with these lighter colors, oh yeah, you can see it breaking up there. I'm going to take my TressAllure wig wax, just to sort of piece out in the front so that it lays in the way that I would like it to. I have a full review up on that as well. So I'm really having it go across so that that parting isn't as noticeable. But overall, I don't have an issue. I would like to see how close this is to Lane though. I feel like I fussed with it more than I had planned to. I really think rooting is going to take you to the next level with this. But for now, this is what the sort of basic style looks like. I think she's so cute. I love the style. Again, I love Lane. I really liked May too, and I feel like May was just a slightly shorter version. I do have some comparisons with May, even like Jackson. They're all very similar styles. Oh yeah, there we go. When this dries, it'll also stick a little bit more. I like this because it's not like a really hard stick. Alright, so this is what I have. This is the sort of final result. You know, just taking her out of the box, not doing any modifications or anything like that. Let's look at her from the back. I mean, she's a cute little style. I actually have Avery in a darker color, but it was a wig that somebody had modified so it doesn't look like this. It was a live I did on how to fix a wig that you might have messed up or that is, you know, older and just needs a little bit of help. So yeah, this is Avery. Like I said, she's really comfortable. I really like this wig. I think that I would like her in a darker color or add some rooting. I can go ahead and add rooting and even sort of fix up just right here at the part. If you would like me to do that, put that down below. She's a really nice wig. This is a more average to smaller cap. Just keep that in mind. So, if you have this wig and you have thoughts, please put that down below. If there's another TressAllure wig you would like me to review, go ahead and put that down below. I will link my name brand wig playlist down below and also the TressAllure playlist down below so you can see the wigs that I've already reviewed. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. And if you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.